pizza face. There you are, ma'am. You all right?
Oh, thank you.
It's not dirty. This kind of stuff shouldn't happen, should it? Bye-bye. All right, stand up, ragweed. Pronto!
Hammer, what are you doing?
I'm gonna teach this little genetic mistake a lesson.
We're in front of City Hall. You want to be taken in for police brutality?
What a... All right. I'm not even gonna touch the sea urchin. Stand back, Duro. So, Big Shot, time to pick on somebody your own size. Punch yourself in the mouth.
What?
You heard me. Punch yourself in the mouth. Right now, it's an order. Oh, come on. Harder than that. Otherwise, I'm gonna do it. I'm telling you. All right, that was nice. Now slug yourself in the stomach. All right, look, I'm running out of time. Just finish yourself off. Trust me, I know what I'm doing.